Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a blue ring octopus. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our blue ring octopus, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to make a little circle for the eye. Now for the pupil inside of here, I'm just going to make kind of like a smiley face shape since they have the interesting looking pupil. Right above the eye, let's go ahead and draw a sad face. Then we'll put a little line underneath that eye as well. Now, just a little bit above here, kind of at an angle, let's go ahead and make another little bump. That's where that other eye will be. Now, starting here for the head, let's draw a line. It's just going to come out. And then I'm just going to kind of bring this down and then back up to about here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then right to here. Then we'll start one of the tentacles here. Let's take this line and we're just going to bring this up and we'll kind of bring it back down and up like this. We're going to redraw this line. We're going to make it skinnier towards the end, and then it's going to get nice and big as it comes back. And I'm going to end this one right about here. I'm going to start my next tentacle here. So I'm just going to go down, and I'm going to kind of curl this one around. Then we're just going to kind of draw this again, bring it back, and then right to about here. Let's draw another line that's just going to come down here. We're going to kind of wiggle this around. We're going to bring this line back up to here. And then starting down here, I'm going to bring this line all the way up to here. Now over here, let's make another tentacle. Let's bring this line up and around, and we're going to bring this down. Let's bring this line back nice and skinny and then fatter as we get back towards the body of our octopus. We'll do another line here. We're going to bring this down and kind of bring it around like this. Same thing, just bring this back nice and skinny and then fatter when we get closer to it. Starting here, bring this line around and kind of curl it around. Bring this back, and we're going to take this right up into here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of come down, and we're going to bring this back here. And then we're going to make a little C shape inside of there. I'm going to make 1 and 2 little lines down. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come out for another tentacle. And we're going to bring this down. We're going to bring this around, and then we're going to make it come all the way back to here. Now for our final tentacle, we're going to make this kind of come back here. So we're just going to bring this down. We're going to bring it up and around. Then we're just going to bring this all the way back here, just like this. Now for some little details, I like to make a couple little lines on here. And then we'll kind of make some of these lines right there. Right here, I'm going to make a nice long line that's going to come back. That way it kind of looks like it's the bottom part of the tentacle. And then I'll do a little line like this. We'll make a little line here for part of that tentacle. I'll do one here. And then I'll just do one right here for a little bit of detail. That way we kind of see the bottom parts of the tentacle. Then I'm just going to make some small little bumps for like the suction cups. And I'm just going to do this right along the bottom part of our little octopus tentacles. And I'm only doing this on the bottom part of these that we can kind of see that line. And then we're just going to do some here. Then inside of here, we're just going to go ahead and keep it real simple. Let's just add some little oval shapes. And this will kind of give it that tentacle suction cup effect. And we'll just kind of throw some on here too. And then a few right up here. Now, I'm not going to actually add the rings on here yet because I'm actually going to do that in the coloring part. But the coloring part is going to be very simple because I'm going to color this all one color. Then I'm going to come in afterwards and do the rings. And that way you guys can kind of do your rings however you want to. But there you go. There's your drawing of a blue ring octopus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.